Hi everyone, welcome to the GeoAR Getting Started tutorial. This is the fourth part of the tutorial, and here I'm gonna show you how to build your project and deploy to the Microsoft Hololens tool. Alright, here you are in Unity, the project is here. In order to build, just do the regular process, file, build settings, and the configuration here is that you need to have the ARM 64 bits, and you wanna have the build and run on local machine, and the build configuration is release. Right, what else can I show you here that could be important? uh, if you go to project settings, here you can change some other information that will be relevant for the building, like the app name, and you can have a short name. You can even change the logo, right? In Edit, Project Settings, and then the Player tab here. Okay, let's go back to the building. Building settings, file, building settings, and the building configuration is release, as I said, ARM 64-bit, and build and run on a local machine. And then you click the button build, and then you're gonna select the folder where you wanna have this building. And I will create a new folder here, new folder, and I will use my pattern here for building, build GeoAR getting started. I will put the number 2 because I already have one folder with this name, 2. So the first time that you're building a project in a new folder, this process is going to take longer. But if you edit something and build in the same folder, everything's going to be faster. So we select the folder, and wait for the building of the project. Now it's a matter of waiting a little bit. It's still building the player. In case you don't want to wait, you can just skip the video. Alright, so then you go to the folder. So Unity opens automatically this folder, but if it doesn't, you go to the folder where I have here the building GeoAR, and the SLN file here will open the projects in Visual Studio. Okay, then select on instead of debug, release, then select instead of ARM 64. This is a configuration that depends on the ARM 64, and instead of remote machining you are using building into device directly. Alright, then you can press to deploy, to package and deploy to the Microsoft Hololens. And now that's the moment that you need to plug your Hololens into your PC and log in so that Visual Basic Studio can deploy the application here. I'm already logging, so it should work. Another thing that you could check if it's recognizable, you can go to your Explorer and you're gonna see that the HoloLens is recognizable here, so then everything should be fine. And for the first time that you build in a new folder, this process takes longer. So in case you want to change something and increase of the speed, you just build on the same folder, and good part of the compilation and configuration for the deployment will be already done. And that's gonna be faster. So be patient and wait a little bit, because you're building for the first time. So you can forward the video in case you are impatient to wait here. Okay. Everything seems to be going well. Oh, total compilation time 300,000 milliseconds. That's a good sign. Now that's compiled, they're gonna upload it to the device. Remember that you need to be connected to the PC in order to install the application on the Microsoft Hololens 2. Copying files, the layout is a total of 255 megabytes. It's creating a new clean layout. It's the first time that you're deploying. Very common message here is that they show that the process is taking longer than expected. So if you see this message, just wait a little bit more, a while more, so that it finish installing the application on the device. Registering the application to run from layout. Deployment complete. Now when you are deploying, they're gonna execute automatically the application for the first time, and that is what's going on now. So the application is opening. I can see the spheres of loading. They ask for permission to access my eye tracker. I pressed yes. Permission to access my microphone. I said yes as well. Now I can see the little menu here. I can interact with it. Oh, right. After you do this and you can do a quick test if everything their changes were applied, you can click on the button here, stop debugging. And they're gonna close the application. And you can just remove the cable. You do it using eject here. I can remove the USB cable. And now simply you can go to your main menu here, Windows menu, all apps, and you're gonna see that your app is in the list here of all apps GeoR getting started. I just open the application. And here is it, my application. I will do an indoor debug here, calibration indoor. It's calibrated. I can see the calibration spheres, and they load the geoscene. It's loaded somewhere. I cannot see because I'm inside a room. And guys, that's it. Your application is ready to use. In the next video, I will show you how to do the location calibration outside, outdoors, and how you can achieve high accuracy with that. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.